Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices are ready and on the same network. This is critical. Turn on Wi-Fi and join the exact SSID on both devices, or create a hotspot from one device. Next, enable the display's screen mirroring mode, AirPlay, Cast, Miracast, so it is discoverable. Unlock your phone or tablet, and if the protocol uses Bluetooth for pairing, enable Bluetooth as well. Once done, leave the display in discovery mode and move to your source device to search for it. You now initiate the connection from your source device. Pull down Quick Settings or Open Control Center, then tap Screen Mirroring or Cast. In some apps, open the Share menu and choose the display. Select the target display by name and accept any pairing prompts on both ends. Type the PIN if the screen shows one. Make sure to choose the correct audio output so sound follows the video. If available, set resolution or aspect ratio to 16:9 for best fit. Allow the devices a few seconds. You finish by confirming playback and interaction. Play a short video or move the home screen, look for audio-video sync, and rotate to landscape if the image is cropped. When done, stop mirroring from the source or the display to disconnect cleanly. If things go wrong, try a single troubleshooting tip. Restart Wi-Fi on both devices or toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset networking. If problems persist, update firmware or the casting app, and then reattempt connection. This resolves most compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.